Today I am here with a wonderful team of One Night Stand. So without wasting any time, let's start with baby doll of Bollywood, Sunny. Hi, Sunny.
Hi.
So how was your experience with your co-stars?
Well, this main co-star Tanush, he's our male lead in the film, and working with him was an absolute pleasure. He's very professional, very in tune to what we were shooting. When he is a big goofball, but on top of that, I love that he was very punctual. He's very dedicated. He's a sweet guy.
आज तो रुलाने का इरादा है
हाँ, I think जब लोग ये film देखेंगे, they'll see such amazing talent that was brought out from our director here.
See, she's a team player.
That she brought out of him and also myself.
We would like to know more about Selena, her character in the movie.
My character, her name is Selena or Umber, and she makes a decision one night that I think will affect her probably for the rest of her life. And she makes the decision to act on her emotions, and she has to pay the consequences of that one night stand, and she has to deal with a stalker and deal with a stalker in this film who he can't control his emotions, and he does go after her, and because he goes after her, now her whole world is in the hands of this man that she thought, hey, this was only supposed to be one night. And that's, how she handles it. She's a very strong woman, but she had a very weak choice.
So well, Jasmine, this is your first movie. So how have you chosen this candid, name, One Night Stand?
I don't think there's anything candid about it. It's out there for everyone. I think इससे बेहतर हमको topic, title film के लिए नहीं मिलता, because it's just what the film is all about. It starts because of a one night stand, and it's the repercussions और जो एक one night stand के बाद हो सकता है या जो चीज़ें गलत जा सकती है वही इस फिल्म में दर्शाया गया है. तो as I said, इससे बेहतर हमको टाइटल कोई नहीं मिलता, तो why not the obvious.
So how was your experience working with such beautiful co-stars, Sunny?
The best part about working with people who have done work earlier is that they already know the craft. So आपको उतना बताना नहीं पड़ता है, so which is a big relief for a first time director. But having said that, Sunny, Tanuj have been extremely hard working, क्योंकि जिस तरीके के characters थे शायद उनको वो समझ में नहीं आ रहे थे, सब मेरे दिमाग में था. I don't know whether शायद पहले मैं उनको उतनी अच्छी तरह से समझा नहीं पाई थी या क्या था. So
No, ऐसे नहीं था. It was very nicely समझाउड. but at that moment, we have blocks. We need to understand. So go. I don't want to not give you credit for what you've actually done.
वैसे वो बात नहीं है. It's क्या होता है, कुछ चीज़ें समझने में या ये करने में थोड़ा सा टाइम जाता है. तो हमारे काफ़ी सारे डिस्कशंस होते थे उसके बारे में, और कई बार हम शूटिंग रोक के उसके बारे में डिस्कस करते थे, क्योंकि अगर मैं मेरे एक्टर्स को अपने कैरेक्टर के बारे में कन्विंस नहीं कर सकती हूँ तो फिर मेरे ऑडियंस को मैं नहीं कर पाऊँगी. तो उस वजह से आई यूज्ड टू लव दीज डिस्कशंस, आई यूज्ड टू लव दीज चैलेंजेस.
Really?
You should have done more of it, right?
I think it's difficult because this is not just ये दो characters meet करते, they fall in love, और कुछ होता है, something tears them apart, and then in the end वो वापस मिलते. So it's not like that. So those discussions needed to happen.
No, it's more realistic. इसमें एक सीख भी है कि आप हमेशा इन चीज़ों को, आजकल casual sex काफ़ी बढ़ रहा है, आप lightly लेते हो, आप repercussions के बारे में नहीं सोचते हो कि कुछ चीज़ें करने से एक a few moments of fun, of some time spent together can actually affect you for the rest of your life. ये कैसे होता है, क्या होता है, is kind of shown with Urvil's character on how he thinks कि ये जो भी बाहर करता है वो घर पे आने की इजाज़त नहीं देता, affect नहीं करेगा. But when the tables start turning, that's when it starts affecting, and that was the challenge in getting that kind of craziness across and trying to make them understand as to why they were doing.
So Tanuj, You tell about your experience with Sunny.
It's been amazing working with her, honestly. I mean, she's been like a pillar of support. She's been a good team player. कभी कभी हम ऐसे भी दिन होते हैं where you're not feeling your best or you're not looking your best. So you know, actors can be insecure overall and stuff, you know. And she always made me feel secure. Like if I needed more takes, if Jasmine was being mean to me that day or something. No. I mean, so a lot of credit. I mean, अगर लोगों को मेरे performance में कुछ दिखेगा कि it's a good performance or whatever, I think the two women are right here. Please give 50% credit to both of them.
No,
मैं तो बस
credit also goes to you.
चलो
Sunny.
2% मुझे भी दे दो.
Okay, so what would you like to say your viewers regarding One Night Stand?
To the viewers,
Please watch it.
6th of May.
6th of May.
Sunny, like you have never seen her before.
Thank you.
Yeah.
हमारे पास अच्छे गाने हैं, and we have an incredible story. Our
Yes.
first time director has done an amazing song.